This is my version of Divadish's American classic, what we call American fries. But in this case, this is a combination of leftover onions, leftover tomatoes, a little leftover red pepper. I steamed what we call steaming my baked potatoes, with the red skin baked potatoes, and then I just diced them up and put them in the mixture of the onions, the red peppers, the tomatoes, and celery seed. There's some garlic in here. There's some vegetable oil for the base with a teaspoon plus of bacon fat. It just makes for a really just yummy combination, and it's comfort food for us. It's a Friday morning for us at 9 o'clock here, and I just felt like having something that was going to be a rib sticker, and I really think this is just one of them. If you'd like to make more meals like this, and you'd like to be able to have the easy recipes to do just about anything in the kitchen that your heart desires with a little bit of creativity and just a little bit of knowledge to get you there and start the juices cooking in your brain. Get Divadish's not cookbooks, recipe books. They're not cookbooks, they're recipe books, people. Because recipes are fun. Cookbooks sometimes can be a drag. And Divadish does not do anything that drags her down, baby. She does all about the fun, the warmth, the talking, bringing us back to the kitchen table where all the good conversations start, and our day begins. So pick up one of my DDK books, recipe books. Volume 1 is out, and Volume 2, which is What's My Dinner, is coming out end of this week, beginning of next. I have a new person new store that'll be selling them, which will be Olive Branch Oil and Spices in downtown White Bear Lake. Go in there and get one of my books there. It's local, White Bear Lake, not far away, or you can get them directly from me, DDK, Divadish Kitchens, John Ayanos, author and owner and personal chef, to the everyday person. You can get me at my digits, 612-859-3270. I look forward to seeing you, meeting you all when I do one of my private book signings, and answering any simple questions you might have about how to get back to just basic good cooking, easy cooking, good meals for your family and your friends. Have a great and wonderful, healthy day until then, and just remember, cooking does not have to be difficult. Have a wonderful day. Ciao, baby.